This is the Think car, the thinkscan 662 OBD2 scanner. So this is a car automotive diagnostic tool with bidirectional active test. It can scan the engine's ABS system, SRS transmission. It could reset codes. It could read codes. It has lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi. This way you don't have to connect to a computer. It has basically all the options the big boys have for a DIY deal. Now, yes, it has all these options, but why do you really need one? Well, if you're handy with cars, this is next level of diagnosis, which will help you do everything from basic test to just reading real-time information, troubleshooting problems, and getting codes, making simple repairs, and clearing codes. Sometimes you get a code for some reason, and all you need to do is clear it and see if it comes back. Sometimes it just doesn't come back. This saves you a trip to the mechanic. This saves you a trip to the dealer, which you shouldn't be going to because of expenses. So this will save you money, and it's also valuable if you have a few cars in your possession, in your family, and you could be saving tons of money there. Now, you don't have to be a top level mechanic, but you can also run a small mechanic shop using this tool. That's how powerful it is. Now, it may look overwhelming, but it's very intuitive. It has auto search. It finds your car, VIN number, and it's easily updated. Scan for codes. If you got an engine light on, if you got a misfire. Now, if your education in mechanics is above par, then you could check out such faults such as ABS, fuel injectors adjustment, throttle, coolant, fans, radiator, and EV AP test, fuel trim reset. All these tests that a dealership will be able to do for you. And even if you cannot make the repair yourself, at least you will go into the mechanic with a level of information instead of going in blind. This way you're working on the same page, and when they realize that you actually have done a scan and you're kind of on the same page with them, you're less likely to be misinformed or even misled into costly repairs. So going in informed and working with your mechanic is what I feel a way to protect yourself from shady mechanics. So all this is the reasons why you should easily have this if you have one, two, or several cars in your family, and you will be doing yourself a service and having peace of mind that you are informed. So buy with confidence. It's a great product. It moves from screen to screen pretty quickly. The 1.8 gigahertz CPU, very responsive. 6.2 inch HD touchscreen, very responsive. 32 gigs of ROM storage. So it's quite a piece of technology that even if you have old car, new car, you should have in your possession. Buy with confidence.